5 online businesses you can start with no money. So if you're looking to make money online and if you're looking to work from home or from wherever, then this video is going to be very helpful for you, because you're going to learn about 5 online businesses that you can start with no money, and this will help you create multiple streams of income. So are you excited to create multiple streams of income? Because this is going to help you long term. So you all like passive income, right? So having multiple streams of income is going to be much beneficial for you, because if one source of income dies, you'll be able to rely on the other sources of income, and it will help you immensely. So let's get into today's video. The very first online business that you need to start is a YouTube channel, because YouTube is a source of traffic. If you keep on creating a lot of videos that people need to watch in whatever niche that you choose to create on, keep creating a lot of videos, and as you start creating a lot of videos, you will stack up a library of videos that a lot of people will want to watch and actually be get to learn something from you or be entertained by it. So this will add value to your audience's life, okay? And because of that, they'll keep consistently coming back to your channel and they'll keep watching your videos, and because of that, they'll be able to get value from it. And maybe if you promote a product or service that's yours or someone else's, they'll consider buying it. So it's going to be helpful for you. But more importantly, as you start creating content on YouTube, you'll be able to earn from YouTube AdSense. AdSense is a platform created by Google, where YouTube is being bought by Google, and Google runs ads on top of your videos. And as more people start watching your videos, you'll be able to see ads being shown on top of your videos. So advertisers are willing to pay to advertise on top of your videos once you cross the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours mark. So if people see the ads on your videos and engage with it, you'll be able to earn AdSense revenue. So how YouTube AdSense works is, YouTube allows you to create content on their platform, which is YouTube platform that you're watching right now, and you create a lot of videos, and as soon as you cross the 1000 subscriber mark and 4000 watch hours mark, you'll be eligible for YouTube monetization, wherein you will be able to connect your YouTube account with Google AdSense, okay? And once they verify your account and see that you have legitimately crossed 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, they will enable your Google AdSense on your account, and now they will allow the advertisers to run ads on top of your videos. So if you are in one of those competitive niches where people pay a lot of money, in the business niche, in the insurance niche, in the investing niche, or any other niche that you are actually creating content on, whatever niche that you're creating on, that is particular CPM, it's called cost per 1000 impressions, okay? For every single 1000 impressions, there's a particular rate that they assign in the marketplace. So if you create a lot of content on your YouTube channel, you'll be able to blow up your channel to more than 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, and that's when you're eligible for the monetization program, okay? They'll connect your YouTube account to your Google AdSense account, and that's when the advertisers are willing to advertise on top of your videos, you'll be able to earn AdSense income, and that is free passive income for the work that you're doing once and you're getting paid consistently every single month, okay? That is passive income number 1. And that's business model number 1. Create YouTube content and build up your YouTube channel. Business number 2 is affiliate marketing. What do I mean by affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a platform, or affiliate marketing is a business model in which you are promoting someone else's product to an audience that you won't have, okay? But you are using your unique affiliate link. They give you a unique affiliate link when you sign up to their affiliate program, okay? They give you a unique affiliate link. You place that affiliate link in, let's say you're creating YouTube videos, and in the description of your YouTube videos, you're placing your affiliate link. And when someone clicks on this link and they buy through your link, when they make a purchase, a commission is being given to you because you brought that customer, okay? That's how affiliate marketing works. You're promoting someone else's product to an audience who needs that particular product, and in turn, for bringing that customer, they're giving you a percentage of the fee or the sale, okay? So affiliate marketing is a big subject in itself. You can make a lot of money using the internet. So second business that you can focus on is affiliate marketing. It will help you make a lot of money, and there are millionaires who have been created by promoting just other people's products using affiliate marketing. This is the second business model that you must get into to create passive income and also create multiple sources of income. The third business model that you must get into is coaching and consulting. Okay, as you start creating YouTube content, as you start bringing in affiliate sales by promoting other people's products and services, you will now build up credibility and expertise in your own niche or topic of interest. Okay, and people will start asking you a lot of questions. Okay, can you help me with this? How do I do this? What to do with this? Some of those kind of content, if it is a mass piece of content, you can turn that into video, okay, on your YouTube channel, which can help a lot of people and bring in a lot of audience and a lot of traffic. Or else you can take that particular question or a query from that particular person who is asking that question and get them on a paid consultation call or a paid coaching call. You can say you can charge maybe $100 per hour or $200 per hour based on your level of expertise and income. Okay, so that's how you turn your audience or your traffic into the third business model, which is coaching and consulting. You can offer 1 hour coaching or 1 hour consulting, or you can offer 12 weeks coaching consulting, or you can offer 6 months or probably about a year. However you like to go about it, you can pick and choose however you want to build your online business. And this will help you create your third stream of income, which is your coaching and consulting. Okay, now let's go to the fourth business model that you can build that will help you create another stream of income, that is offering and creating digital products and online courses. What are digital products? Have you ever seen templates, planners, worksheets, calculators, Excel calculators? And have you ever invested in courses, or have you seen other people selling courses to you? I also have a few courses for me. Okay, you can check out the links in the description below. You'll find value, and I plan to create a lot more courses because there's a lot of knowledge that needs to be given, and the right knowledge needs to be given with the right action and the motivation, with the right action steps, so that everyone can benefit from it. So I'll be packaging most of my knowledge into online courses. So the benefits of creating digital courses or online courses and digital products is that you can create once and you can sell to people again and again, and this helps you create passive income, because we know that creating passive income today is going to be beneficial for you in the long term. As you start creating products and services, make sure you keep passive income in mind, because if you can focus on creating passive income in mind, you'll be able to focus on creating the product once and making sure that people consistently buy from you every single day, starting today and up to the future, until when you start sending in traffic and people to your products and services. Okay, so think about digital products and online courses. This can be a fourth stream of income or the fourth business model that you can start today. Think of all the areas that you can provide value to the marketplace. If you are skilled at, say, painting, okay, think, can you offer some painting tutorials and package them into a course? Can you offer painting checklists, painting resources, and turn them into a PDF format and offer them links to products and services and offer that as a digital product? Think of all the creative ways that you can offer digital products and online courses. That is going to be a fourth stream of income that will help you create one of the multiple streams of income that I talk about in this video, and it's going to be a fourth business model. The fifth business model that you need to focus on that will help you create multiple streams of income is offering services. Alright, so if you are looking for quick cash right now, you can focus on offering digital services. So what do I mean by that? If you are skilled in, let's say, painting, someone else needs a painting done by you, and you can offer that painting for a fee, okay, and get their requirements, and you finish that painting and deliver the painting and collect the money. So one way to do that is through digital freelancing or in-person freelancing or virtual freelancing, whatever the term you can call it as. So think of freelancing as another stream of income which will help you create a lot of money. Okay, and as you start creating content, building audience, generating revenue from your own AdSense, from your affiliate marketing, from coaching and consulting, from offering your digital products and services or online courses, and then you start offering your service actually, that you will do done for you service for someone, or you will do done with you service, where you will actually help someone achieve certain outcome, whatever field that is, whether that's graphic design, whether that is website creation, whether that is let's say video editing, whatever skill that you have, or that is gardening, or whether that is helping someone play a musical instrument, whatever the case may be, think of all the ways that you can provide a service to someone. Okay, you are able to do that service for someone, whether that is online using digital means, or you're using in-person freelancing, or you're building a team and you're also offering freelancing services. So that's how you build the fifth stream of income, which is offering services, which can be digital freelancing, virtual freelancing, or in-person freelancing. This is how you create 5 sources of multiple streams of income, and I will be able to explain on this in the future videos. So if you found value in these videos, make sure to check the links in the description below. I offer a free newsletter which will help you a lot of value, and also offer paid newsletter where you as a creator can build a 6-figure stream of income online just by starting out right on YouTube, because YouTube and blog are the 2 main sources of platforms where you constantly create content, and you are being, after you plug Google AdSense on top of it, you are being paid for creating content. No other platform offers this kind of feature. So if you create content on YouTube, it gets pushed by the YouTube algorithm to suggested side, and also on different people's browse features on the home recommended page. So if you search for it, your video can be found in the search listings, or your video can be suggested to more people who might find it valuable. So I hope you found value in these 5 online business models. Take notes, rewind this video, watch it again. Make sure to create all these 5 sources of income, starting with YouTube, then getting into affiliate marketing, offering coaching and consulting, then start creating your own digital products and online courses, and start offering services to people who have the bigger budgets to pay you. Okay, so this is how you create 5 streams of income, and having multiple sources of income, and most of them are passive. It's going to be beneficial for you in the long run. So as you keep on building your audience, creating content, you will see that a lot of people are benefiting from your content. You're able to reach people who you might not have been able to reach otherwise in person. So use the digital means, use YouTube, use social media to reach as many people as possible, because if they find value in your content, they will come and they will buy from you, and they might even recommend you to someone who might buy from you. So all in all, that's value exchange. I'm giving value to you, you're getting value out of it, and you're going to create value in the marketplace which is helpful to them, and that is going to bring in revenue for you. So that is value, win, 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 win. Alright, so if you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and hit the like button. Okay, help me reach my first 1000 subscribers, and my goal is to reach 100k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, that is my first goal, and after that we'll get to the millions that I have planned later down the line. So I hope you found value in this video. Check out the courses that I listed down below, and you will find that you will learn a lot of things that you did not know, and I will guide you in step-by-step fashion, and I'll also show you the step-by-step way to go about things. I'll keep it simple so that you'll be able to take action and get results, because there are 3 ways to learn things: learn it, do it, and then teach it. In other words, it is learn, apply it, and share it. Don't be stingy with your knowledge that you get. Imagine you learn something from me, immediately apply it and share it with the world. That's how you are also learning, applying, and sharing while you are building your audience, while you're building your income streams, while you're growing your audience, while you're doing everything else in life and managing, going about your life. So if you found value in this video, definitely let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the next video, so that I'll be able to better create content for you, and you'll be able to find value from my videos, and that will help you create a lot of wealth and help you get rich and become a millionaire one day. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.